Andrew, nice to see you. What'd you make of yesterday's move? How are you feeling about the market?
I mean, yesterday was an amazing day. If you looked at it, and I watched the S&P 500 futures trade a lot. I've been trading every day for 16 years, and the futures were only down 41 points, and we closed on the absolute low. We were down over 100 points in the S&P. We see the CBOE's volatility index spike above 24, which is a cause for flat, a reason that the market could sell off more. Then last night, we got down to about 2770. So we've rallied now 100 points from the Globex session lows, and now we're up on the day. But here's the thing. I've been long this market since 2009. These things come and go. Can we be short-term, bearish, and are we going to take out March lows? Possibly. Can we take out December lows? Possibly as well. As I look at the VIX being above 20 is still a flag. Yes, the VIX is down 14% today, but look how much it was up overnight. I still think market has more room to the downside. I continue to be long this market. I've always been long this market. But when the market's up 19% in a year, you've got to be taking off some chips on the table. I am long. This is the least long I've been in probably a year and a half.
All right. So wait. So you've been long since you really started trading, or since we came out of the recession. But you're going to continue to be so until what? Is there a flag? Because you're right. You made a great point about the overnight trading, which fell even further. So we had a great run back now. Is there a flag of when to give up on being long?
So I trade a little bit differently than everybody else. So what I do is I watch institutional order flow in the option market. So I watch big institutions place and allocate capital on certain trades in the option market. 99% of my trading is derivative based. So when I watch this, like we had an example, there's a trade yesterday in Sony. Some institution bought $1 million worth of calls. I bought Sony calls, and even though the future sold off 30 points from when they came in to buy calls, I'm up money on that trade. So I'm very, very stock specific. I'm not long the SPY. I'm not long the futures. I'm not long Apple. I'm not long Amazon. I'm not long BABA. But I am long specific names. Some oil names that are hurting me a little bit. But Sony's a great example that I made money overnight using the derivatives because I saw this institutional order flow.